On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 acres from a black queen. Okay, you have to pardon my awful singing voice, but start. I hope you are ready because I promise you back to back, sensational, most stunning, most elegant short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens this festive season. And trust me when I say that I am not going back on my word. And to prove that to you, in today's video, I've got 9 super stunning, sensational, elegant short haircuts and hairstyles for my older black queens. I am talking black queens over 60. Yes, I said it. This my gorgeous black queens. This my gold are over 60 of age. Can you believe it? I mean, this barber is just so professional. He's just so spiritual. He's just into the festive period, because trust me, how can a 60-year-old plus be looking like a 16 years old? Okay, trust me, this right here is the recipe, the correct recipe for their youthful looking. Okay. I mean, these haircuts are so beautiful, but do not get me started on the smiles of this my gorgeous black queens. I mean, there is something sensational about the smiles, the uniqueness. Oh my goodness, it's so magical, it's so divine, so gracious. These black queens are just an inspiration to us, the younger ones, and I am so happy, so fulfilled to be the one to be bringing to you this back to back entertainment and the transformation of this my gorgeous black queens. Stars, I do hope you enjoy watching today's video. Please, as always, remember, if you haven't, please click on that subscribe button to join this amazing family. Okay, trust me, this is the place for you to be, because here at Somto Starr, we promise you exactly what you order. Okay, we give it to you times 10. I mean, just take a look at this, take a look at the smiles. Oh my goodness, I don't want to go there. Let's not go there, because we're not gonna live today. Okay. But first, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment. I like to know which of these short haircuts was your favorite in the comment section. As always, please do not forget to let me know where you are watching this video from, so that I can send you a big massive visual hug in my next video. I do also want to thank the barber. He's doing such an amazing work for this my gorgeous black queens. I mean, all the accolades go to him, because he's doing a wonderful job. And this festive season, you can always fly to him to get your haircuts. Okay, so please hit him up on Instagram. Here his username is on the screen boldly written, so hit him up on Instagram or TikTok so that you can book your appointment. Okay. And for my Ghanaians, please check out my last video, because the barber there is in Ghana, so you can go to him and get your cut. His work is also amazing, super good. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Okay. All right, start. I am gonna stop talking too much. I'm going to let you to observe this gorgeousness, this uniqueness, this magic. Okay. I love you guys so very much, and trust me, I am going to be speaking to you real soon. Okay, bye stars. Mwah. Enjoy your festive season. Okay.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach.